Make sure to get these onions slow cooked and caramelized all the way down, everybody. It cooks them down, brings out the sweetness of these Vidalia onions for these fajitas.
Oh, okay. Just delete all that and I will resend it to you. Huh?
Yeah, let's cook some peppers down, everybody. Got a little bit of the heat turned up. We're going to turn it down just a little bit, and we're going to slow these things down. Make sure you don't overcook your peppers. You want them a little bit of crunch to them for the fajitas, so these are going to be amazing. Alright, turn up the heat a little bit, everybody, and get your little olive oil in these things, and then really slow it down. You don't want to overcook this incredible ribeye beef, everybody. We want it to come out nice and tender for these fajitas. You need to add a little bit of extra olive oil. I use olive oil with this seasoned beef, everybody. Add a little bit extra so we don't burn it, but it's going to come out amazing. Oh, make sure you get a few of these delicious onions on there, everybody. Sure to impress. Make sure you add some of these peppers. And if you want to add a few of the jalapenos, you can do that, everybody. Not everyone loves onions, right? So these are going to be amazing. Everybody, there you go. Easy, simple fajitas for dinner, everyone. Everybody, there you go. Easy, simple fajitas for Sunday dinner. Watching a little NASCAR race. There you go.